Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from Patrol EV, the upfitting division of T-Sportline, coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters. And today I've got a Tesla Cybertruck that we're upfitting for a municipality. And this one happens to feature a Whelen 54-inch legacy light bar. And we've got the T-Sportline CTX Extreme Duty bumper and winch in here. Now, the first thing I want to share with you is power management. Tesla is not like a regular vehicle where you have a 12-volt battery and a terminal that you can just attach accessories to. On the Cybertruck in particular, this is 48-volt architecture, and the underlying EV battery voltage is much higher voltage. So even at 48 volts, that's running on a DC to DC converter. Now, you can power some smaller electrical loads on that and use a small DC to DC converter to get to 12 volts, but definitely not gonna have enough power to run a 400 amp 12 volt winch and not enough for a full upfit for patrol use. So the good news is from Patrol EV, we are Tesla experts. We understand the underlying electrical architecture, and we have power solutions that work fantastic for vehicle upfitting. We have everything from DC converters to a full power management system. And what's really special from Patrol EV is that we offer isolation from the Tesla. So if you think about this, in the absence of a 12-volt battery terminal and the reliance on the underlying DC to DC converter in the Tesla, you're also reliant to the Tesla keeping that DC to DC converter powered up. And what that means is while you're on duty or in a patrol situation, if the Tesla stops or turns off that DC to DC converter, you can lose your full upfit. And to us, failure is not an option in an upfit situation. So providing an uninterruptible 12-volt power supply, independent of Tesla and independent of any over-the-air update obsolescence, that's what we do at Patrol EV. So you can be assured that your light bar, your winches, your radios, anything in the upfit 12-volt architecture will run independent of the Tesla vehicle operation. That's what we can offer here at Patrol EV. So I wanted to introduce this to you and let you know we have all of this. We also make the brackets for an easy integration. Nothing is touching the top glass, which is commonly an issue on any Tesla or Rivian type upfit. You can't touch that roof glass. So we make the brackets, we integrate, we know how to run the wires and connect this power and make it fail safe. So check this out at patrolev.com. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. We got a lot more upfits to share with you.